Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we'll solve this expression when a minus b equals 2 and a square plus b square is 4 and we have to find the value of a power 1992 plus b power 1992. So let's start with today's video. Yes. So a minus b is 2 and a square plus b square is 4. If I'll take this and squaring both sides, so a minus b whole square is equals to 2 square. So we know the famous identity a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to 4. So a square plus b square is equals to 4 plus 2ab. And they also given us that a square plus b square is equals to 4. So in place of a square plus b square, I can write 4. So 4 equal 4 plus 2ab. From here, I can calculate the value of ab. So 4 minus 4 equal 2ab. So 0 over 2 equal AB. So the value of AB is 0. So from this, we can say that either A equals 0, B equals 0, or maybe both are equals to 0. But this expression is not valid. Because if both the terms are 0, we cannot say that a minus b is 2 or a square plus b square is 4. So one thing can be possible, either a can be 0 or b can be 0. So we'll test and check. So if when a is equals to 0, if I'll check in the first one, a equals to 0, then the value of b will be minus 2. When b is equals to 0, the value of a will be 2. So if I'll put both the values and check what can be the value of this expression. So if I'll take b as minus 2 and a as 0. So a is 0, that means 0 power 1992 plus b minus 2 power 1992. Versus the second case when b is equals to 0. So 2 power 1992 plus 0 power 1992. So overall we get that minus 2 power 1992 and we have to check 2 power 1992. So what we notice that this is 2. What we notice that the power is even number. If the exponent is negative and the power is even, you always get the even. So overall you get the power 2 power 1992 and same here. So in both the cases, our overall answer is 2 power 1992. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.